On to some breaking updates coming in, viewers, at the start from the Haryana's Jind area, where a massive lockdown violation has been reported this time by a Congress leader, that is Randeep Surjewala, who addressed a gathering of farmers in the Jind Mandi. This is the latest breaking updates coming in of how a massive lockdown violation has been done this time by Congress, without in fact even maintaining social distancing and breaking all norms. We'll go across to my colleague Amandeep, who's joining us live at this point. So Amandeep, yet another case of a violation, this time by a Congress leader, Randeep Surjewala, addressing a gathering of farmers in the Jind Mandi.
Yes, exactly, Richa. It turned to be a trend for Haryana politicians. Yesterday, Abhay Chautala has done the same, and today, Randeep Surjewala addressed the rally in Jind, addressed the gathering of farmers in Jind, and even it is quite shocking when he is in his address, he is asking the farmers that he will take up the issues to the government, as the BJP government is quite against the farmers. I mean, is this the time to do the vote bank politics in the state when the entire nation, even the entire world is concerned about the social distancing, and all are quite concerned that they are fighting the war against COVID-19. And at this point in time, these leaders are exposing themselves by addressing such gatherings, gathering the people. And in fact, the state government is not acting in a right manner. Yesterday, Abhay Chautala has done the same. Today, Randeep Surjewala. And state government is turned to be the mute spectators against these violators who are actually crushing the norms. He's openly addressing a gathering in a mandi, and in fact, in his address, he said that I'm here to inspect the mandi. Who is he to inspect the mandi? There are certain officials who are responsible to inspect the mandi. He is there for the vote bank politics, and I don't think so. It is the right time to do the vote bank politics, and state should come up and take strict action against them, just because state government is turning a mute spectator to these politicians who are doing blunder every day. Yes, Richa.
Absolutely, Amandeep. In fact, this is not the first time we are witnessing this kind of behavior by a political leader. This time, Congress, in a way, in a massive lockdown violation, coming out and doing this kind of, as you stated, gathering people and farmers in a local mandi and urging them and asking them about the problems. There could have been a protocol that have been followed, Amandeep. What are the local authorities stating at this point?
We just had a word with Home Minister of Haryana, Anil Vij. He said we have warned the Abhay Chautala also, and we have asked the local administration to make him understand that he should not go to the mandis and address the gathering. But he is not aware about this Jind incident, that how Surjewala come out and address the farmers in a large number without any kind of social distancing. So state is actually somewhere down the line turning to be a mute spectator and blind in such kind of incident. They should wake
In fact, Amandeep, stay with us. Joining us over the phone line is the BJP's national spokesperson, Gaurav Bhatia. Gaurav Bhatia, your first reaction on this massive lockdown, this time by Randeep Surjewala, who addressed a gathering of farmers in the Jind Mandi.
Like any other citizen, I am shocked and I am aghast at the irresponsible behavior of the Congress leader. And this is a violation of law, this is a violation of lockdown, and action should be taken against him, and I'm sure that the government will take action. But it raises another serious question, that look at the irresponsible behavior of Congress leaders. Just the other day on your channel, we saw that another leader of the Congress was carrying liquor in his car, violating the lockdown. And now we have another Congress leader not respecting the lives of these farmers, and rather jeopardizing their lives and openly, brazenly breaking the lockdown. I think this is unacceptable and condemnable, and I really want Sonia Gandhi to speak on the subject and take action.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Gaurav Bhatia, for joining us here on Republic TV. So clearly a massive lockdown violation, this time by a Congress leader at Jind in Haryana, at a local mandi with farmers, clearly flouting all social distancing norm at this times of lockdown that we are witnessing across the country. In fact, we'll go back to Amandeep now for more details. So, Amandeep, we just spoke to the national spokesperson of the BJP, in a way reprimanding the Congress for not complying with the lockdown norms. As you were rightly stating, if you could take us through what the local authorities are taking, are we expecting any kind of a statement coming out from the Congress leader as well as any action to be taken against them?
Exactly, Richa. It is a shocking, even it is quite visible in the video also, that no local administration, neither police nor any Mandi officer was there to stop them, to halt this exercise of Congress leader. No one has come up to make them understand that social distancing is the need of the hour, and this is must. And even the farmers have given the relaxation with several restrictions that the social distancing norm should be followed in the mandis as well. So this is a kind of blunder they are doing, and even the administration is sleeping. Neither the state government is waking up nor the local administration. One has to come up and book for the negligence. Even the officials deserve the action that they are sleeping in the mandis, and these Congress leaders coming up openly and addressing the farmers and doing his vote bank politics at this point of time when the entire nation is focused on the war against COVID-19, and social distancing is the only tool through which the entire nation is fighting with this COVID-19. And this Congress leader is coming up and alleging the BJP that BJP is not the government in the favor of farmers. Is this the time for this such kind of campaign against the BJP? Is this the time to do the vote bank politics? This is not the time. They should understand, even their national leaders, even their national leaders are talking about the COVID-19 war. They are talking about the social distancing. But this local leader is quite concerned about his vote bank politics at this point in time. Yes.
All right. All right. Thank you so much, Amandeep, for getting us those details. We wait and see what response that the Congress have for flouting of all social distancing norms at such times of a lockdown.